Hello again and welcome back to our course on Project 2019. It's now time for exercise 7 and it's going to be a little bit tricky to set this exercise because the dates are very important and you'll be working your way through this part of the course on a completely different date to the date that I'm recording it. So I'm going to describe this in terms of the start of the bathroom refit project. And I'm looking here at the very early stages of the project. Now the project for me has a start date of the 1st of March, and we can double check that by going into the project tab, clicking project information, and you can see there the start date, Friday, March the 1st, 2019. And the updates that I need you to do are going to be 1 week, and the updates that I need you to do are going to be after 1 week of the project and then after 2 weeks of the project. So in my case, I'll be setting the first status update to Friday the 8th of March and the second status update to Friday the 15th of March. So that's 2 weeks into the project essentially. Now let me describe what the update is on each of these dates. First of all, after 1 week of the project, all of the tasks under planning will have been completed on schedule. And in fact, task 11 and 12, get contractor recommendations and make contractor shortlist, they will have been completed on schedule. But with task ID 13, get contractor quotations, this is actually going to be ahead of schedule. And it's going to be 50% complete at the end of the first week. So your first update is to get to that point as though you were updating progress as of the end of the first week. However, during the second week, there is no progress at all on anything. So let's imagine that I'm sick and I'm confined to my bed and I don't do anything about anything. So when I come to update for the second week, so in my case that would be March the 15th, I just need to reschedule everything to start the day after the end of the second week. So during the second week, no progress at all. I'm basically going to reschedule what's left. So in my version, and that's exercise 07A, I'm starting with an end date of April the 16th, 2019. And you'll see on my answer in 07B what my end date is, and you're going to need to do the same. And just check that your answer is compatible with mine. And don't forget, of course, that one option that's open to you is to use the same dates as me. And then you'll be able to make a pretty good match on making sure that the shape of the project looks the same and that the end date comes out at the end of the date I have in 07B. So that's the end of this section. I will see you in the next one.